I will show you guys how to buy coins using Play Store. Ayan, punta kayo sa coins. Just click the coins. And then, tap up. And then, ayan na yung choices niya. GCash, Paymaya, Online Banking, ePay, USDT, GCash, One Touch, TC Bank, and ATM, and Dragon Pay. At saka ito yung prices niya. Ayan, mamimili na lang kayo. You have choose one. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. This is all available in Philippines.